friends, welcome to the 2024 Creator Challenge by Sweet Softies. Here's a look at the adorable dragon that we'll be making this year in celebration of the Lunar New Year of the dragon. His name is Daiyu the dragon, and in Chinese it's pronounced Daiyu, which means generation and jade. While I normally design no-sew and low-sew amigurumis, this dragon does have a lot of different parts that require sewing, so I want to give that as a heads up. Now, let's go ahead and go over some of the details of the Creator Challenge. So first, what is a Creator Challenge? It's an event made up by me where crocheters enter to join a crochet-along featuring one of my newest pattern designs, complete the project, and then you get to customize your creation however you'd like. So in this crochet-along, crocheters are encouraged to add their own unique flair to finish the doll. All submissions that follow the rules will be shown on my website or YouTube video, and one will be handpicked by me for a prize. Here is the timeline for this year's challenge. I'll be posting videos for each part of the challenge during the release dates. The written instructions will come later. If you would like to get reminders about the release dates, I encourage you to join my mailing list, which I'll link in the description box below. For rules, you must follow the pattern stitches and the rows exactly as they're written. You may use any yarn color or fiber. You can add any embellishments you'd like. You can submit as many entries as you'd like. And you must submit all your entries by March 31st, 2023 at 11:59 p.m. PST. How to submit. You can submit a photo of your finished doll either on the Sweet Softies Facebook page or Facebook group or on Instagram, and you must use the tag #SweetSoftiesCreatorChallenge. So your entry won't count unless it has the tag because I must be able to find it to include it. For the prize, the winner will receive a $10 coupon code to anything in my Ravelry shop. I sincerely hope you're inspired to join in on this crochet along with me. It's not only free, it's fun and comes with a chance to win a prize too. Daiyu can't wait to see all the beautiful and unique dragon siblings that you're gonna make from around the world. See you soon, friends!